Alright, so now my little silhouettes are cut out. And now I can kind of like play around and decide where I want them, you know, where I feel like they look good together. I haven't glued them down yet. I will wait on that, but I've got the glue stick ready. The next part that I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to design the outer edge. I want to create the illusion of almost like seagrass and the things that would be around it. So I've got the piece of paper that I cut my silhouettes out of, and that's what I'm going to actually use to create the silhouettes of the seagrass. That way I'm not wasting another piece of paper, and at the same time it gives that that center area where my creatures were, so that I kind of know what space they take up when I'm looking at just this piece of paper too. So I think that'll help with things as well. So this was kind of my, you know, the shape that I had going on before with my little guys. So if I kept with that idea, then this is how, oops, this slid a little bit. That's kind of how they would look together on there, which is kind of a neat little composition. And then now I'm going to sit there and put up, basically start drawing like kind of little squigglies and things like that around the outside edge, to get an idea for the seagrass. Now there is a split here, so that's okay. And remember, it's still going to get cut out because it's going to be glued onto the other piece of paper that has our pretty background on it. The way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to kind of create these little kind of organic shapes that will frame the whole composition. By doing this, it's going to draw the viewer's eye up towards the center, towards that lighter area, and towards our little sea animals. You can have some parts like that. Remember, it's going to get cut out, so the fact that I've got some purple on here from when I was coloring my purple, it's okay. And I'm just kind of doing this a little bit, and then what I'll do is, after I color this whole part black, then I'll go back in, once I attach it to my artwork, I'll go back in and add some like little leaves maybe, and things like that. It's just kind of giving out different shapes and squiggly kind of lines and things like that, that once we add the other things in, it'll give it that illusion of either seagrass, Alright, so now I got kind of a general idea of going on. Because I've already got this cut here, it's going to be easy to kind of go around and go through and cut it out once I'm done. I'm going to put that little background on again so that I don't get any more on the next page. I'm going to use my little outliner pen. This is just a Murine. It's Baño or something. I forget. I know that's bathroom in Spanish, but I don't remember what the name. It's kind of smudged off, but they're just my alcohol markers that I purchased for myself for Christmas. So I'm just kind of outlining it real quick. You want it to go up and down and in and out because you want it to bring the attention to the center of the paper. But you want all different levels. You don't want it all being like, you don't want everything to come out to the same level because you want it to have that kind of organic, natural looking, you know, level to it. Okay, I don't know what just happened with my computer, but it's still recording, so we're gonna go with it. Alright. Okay, so I'm just outlining everything. Alright, I don't know what's going on. What is going on with my computer? Why is this happening?